Today, we're diving into the ancient art of sourdough bread making. Dating back to 5000 BC, sourdough is the oldest form of leavened bread, steeped in culinary history. The meticulous process of creating sourdough starter involves slow fermentation over several days, resulting in a tangy and flavorful base that the speaker has maintained for 9 years. With a focus on tradition and precision, the speaker guides us through the kneading, shaping, proving, and baking of the sourdough, emphasizing the importance of maintaining high oven temperatures and creating steam for the perfect crust and rise. In a shift to a sweeter treat, the detailed recipe for making donut balls presents specific ingredients and step by step instructions for creating a delightful indulgence. With a focus on achieving a soft interior and crispy exterior, the donut balls are deep fried to golden perfection, tantalizing the senses with their texture and flavors. The recipe wraps up with a call to action for viewers to engage with the channel through likes, comments, shares, and subscriptions. For those who savor savory delights, the detailed recipe for stuffed cheese and potato bread cooked on a pan offers quick preparation and deliciousness without the need for an oven. The emphasis on viewer engagement and support echoes themes found in the satirical science fiction novel The Space Merchants by Frederik Pohl and Cyril M. Kornbluth, where advertising and consumerism take center stage. The user's message outlining a diverse range of dishes with specific baking instructions indicates a meticulous and comprehensive approach to cooking that resonates with individuals seeking intricate, multi-course meals. A suitable sci-fi book suggestion that explores similar themes of precision and creativity in a futuristic context is The Three-Body Problem by Liu Cixin, inviting readers to a deeply analytical and immersive experience. Lastly, we explore a quick and easy no-yeast pizza recipe using only self-rising flour and plain yogurt, presenting two versatile cooking options, stovetop and oven. The speaker's Italian heritage and passion for authentic cuisine infuse the discussion, further emphasizing the simplicity, speed, and delicious outcome of the homemade pizza. In summary, from ancient sourdough traditions to sweet indulgences, savory delights, intricate multi-course meals, and quick homemade pizza, these culinary explorations converge with the themes of precision, creativity, and futuristic technology found in various science fiction novels, offering a blend of culinary craftsmanship and imaginative storytelling.